Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. Sorry for my last video because it was not edited right, so I deleted it. But if you want to see how I made these pillows, stay tuned. In today's video, I want to show you how you could create some easy pillows. What started this, I was looking for some pillows and they had the tone that I wanted, but then I look at the price point and I'm like, girl, don't you got a sewing machine? Maybe one or two. And you know how to sew, so get to sewing some pillows. So I already put my thread in. My pillow is going to be like a rose, like a pink, rose pink. Is that a color? Yeah, something like that. And I purchased a bunch of zippers. I paid $1.88 for my zippers. And I got a 24-inch. I got 22s, 16. I just bought a bunch of zippers because I think I'm in the sewing mood. I haven't sewn in a long time and I need to get back into it, okay? So these are some of the colors that I got. Well, I mainly got like black, white, or beige. If they had more colors for that price, I would have bought more. I just missed New Jersey because I could have find zippers for 50 cents. So I think I'm making a trip. So this is some of the colors that I found. But the one that I'm going to use is closer to the fabric that I purchased. I purchased, I think, 3 yards, and I think I paid for the 3 yards. I paid like $10, and then another 4 or 5 yards, and I could make an array of style of pillows. So I guess I'm a pillow maker now. So this is the fabric and this is how it looks. It's like a rose pink. It's giving me burgundy hints, and I want to do the color wheel and marry these colors together throughout my fall space. So this is the pattern on it, and I think it's sexy. What you think? And this is the backing that I'm going to use. You said, why use that backing? It's a bit off. It's not that off. I want to have pillows that I can use in an array of ways, not just to store them, but just to think about ways that I can use it, because I want to be able to use it back and I want to be able to use it in the front. So as you see, I'm facing the fabric down on what will be the outside, but for the inside. And I'm going to make, I think, 26 by 26, 22 by 22, and I think I'm going to make 24 by 24. But look at this other sexy fabric that I found. It feels like an upholstered fabric, but you could definitely make pillows with these. It's a strong fabric. What I'm going to use is the tan part, the whitish part. I'm going to use this to use the contrast of the color, and this is going to be maybe a summer piece, but when I seen the fabric, I just fell in love with it. It's a beautiful chenille, as though the other one that I have, and look at all of that smooth lusciousness. Yes, you have to make extra sounds for that one. So I also purchased some leather. I think I paid like $7 for like 3 yards. This is the bulk of the, I think, 4 or 5 yards that I got, and that was like $3 per yard. So I'm gonna just get into making a darn pillow. I also have 10 yards of this, like a bolt of fabric. I think in this video I will show you some of the upholstery and other fabric I have. I'm also going to upholster my chairs. These are some curtains that I found. Actually, it's just one panel, but I'm going to make pillows with them. I want a contrasting color that I could use. Maybe make some accent pillows. But nevertheless, she got that machine out and she gonna do the darn thing. So now we're going to get ready to sew this one. I just think this is so pretty. Look at the design on it. Yeah, she made a good choice. She, me, her. So this is one of the pillows that I made already, and I'm gonna make the other one. So I have 3 more to make. So this one and then 2 more. So let's get to pillow making. My stitching is good. Like she really did that. Could you believe it's her first time making pillows? So look at my zipper area, nice and clean. I could have made it an invisible zipper because of the different of the color, but ain't nobody looking at this. I'm just making it for myself. But if I was making it for someone, I will definitely hide this out. And it's a very easy thing to do. All you have to do is fold in the fabric, do one flap, cut one piece longer than the other one, and then line it, fold it, and then line it up with the zipper, and then just do a stitch, and you have an invisible. But she didn't feel like doing that. So now I'm showing you, I did not what they would call hem, but I did not do the stitching on the edge of the fabric to secure it because the fabric is pretty strong. And you know what? I might think about taking it apart one day, maybe do something different. But nevertheless, I'm gonna cut this lining right here, and that was the edge of the fabric. I'm gonna now cut that off, and I actually use this for a guide to stitch. You could also use that sewing chalk to mark your piece, but I knew that I wanted to do this piece as the upper part. So I'm just showing you easy how it is to just cut away and to complete your pillow. I didn't even have to cut it away because ain't nobody could see it, but you get what I'm talking about. Just a little flush clean. And the pillow that I have, the insert that I have in there is a down, so you know that the karate chop is gonna be serious. Yes. So showing you that now we're gonna get to sewing. So this is the piece that we're gonna sew onto it. You see that shinerization on that fiber? Yeah, it's shining all right. So this is the other piece that I just cut out. I know that I'm putting my zipper on the top here, so I'm gonna just face it back to back. All the stitchings that I need is just right here. I actually have 2 sewing machines. This is the lesser of the other one. The other one is a little bit more heavy duty. So we're going to put this together and start doing what it do. Line them up. One of the fabric, that's the grayish brown with the silver, it has a little bit of give to it. The other one is just like a tight fabric, type woven fabric. So I'm lining my piece up and I'm doing edge to edge. And as you see, I flipped it because my zipper is going to be on the top. So now we're going to put it in the machine. I mean, I didn't even pin it down because it wasn't difficult. I've just never made any pillows before. So I am not marking it either, but I'll show you later on the chalk that you could use to mark your piece. They come in different colors. I've seen them in black, I've seen them in blue, and I also seen them in white. And they make them in different colors because if you do pink on pink, maybe it would not show up. So they give you an array of chalk. It doesn't stain your fabric or anything once you have to wash it. So now I am showing you, I think, my array of threads and bobbin that is already threaded over a few years now. I have quite a bit of thread collection. These are just some of them because I make all types of all different color clothing. So here it is. Actually, it's my first time sewing on camera. Yeah, my first time sewing on camera. But yeah, she tried to do a little bit of everything. It keeps me busy. I'm never bored. It's like always something to do. So now I'm trying to move that cord so I don't hang my toe. So now just lining it up and just using I don't have to put the pins, not put the chalk, because I could close my eyes and sew the piece. But I'll show you later the color of the chalk that I chose to mark this piece with. So now we're sewing. Yes, we are getting into it. I did a little bit of I didn't do a back stitch on that side because I'm going over it to come to the other side. So that's when I will do my back stitch. I was going to do a stitch all the way around, but I want to show you how, with just proper planning or knowing what you're doing, you don't have to chalk it up. And just to show you my stitch, because you know why? She thinks she did that. So this is the chalk, and I'm going to show you, see how it shows up blue, because that's the color it is, girl. So I'm going to finish stitching this, and then I'm going to show you my stitch. I will finish this off camera and then come back and show you my pillows, because I already made one already, and I show you how it look. So at the end of this, I will do a back stitch, because I am, like I said, going to take it out and show you what it is looking like. So now I'm doing my back stitch and my back, and then I'm pulling the stitch forward, and now I am going to cut the thread to show you the stitch. So I'm going to use my small scissors, my small shears, and flip it over. This is how it looked. She did that, right? Yeah, she did that. She sure did. So this is the way that it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off and show you what the finished product. Now I'm gonna show you some of the fabric that I purchased. I have the tan one in the back. I have 10 yards of it. This one I have 15 yards, and that's what I'm going to upholster my chair with. I'm going to show you a picture of it. This one is in a gray. This one is for pillows. I could also add this to the curtains that I show you that I want to turn into pillows. So here is the other of the 15 yards of fabric. Actually it's 16, 8 and 8, 16. Yeah, 16 yards I have. And the gray one, I think it's 3.5 yards, and I paid, I think, like $10 for 3.5 yards. Yeah, 3.5 yards. I paid $10 for it. And this one, that one right there, I'm going to make some pillows. That's the 10 yards. I actually got that 10 yards from Hobby Lobby for $30. Yes, they had a super sale. So these are the pillows that I purchased from Home Goods, and I think I'm going to take them back, because everybody got these pillows. Like, they're saturated, and they're $24.99. This one here, Home Goods again, $16.99, and I have 4 of them. So let me, match that up to the one that I have. It's 2 different. The back is a solid, and this is the one she made. She did. Look at her pillow. And look at the design on this. Actually, I'm going fabric shopping again, because I got the pillow bug. So see, my stitching is really good. And that was the zipper area. She did that. Look at the one that is already in its casing. And I could have put a different zipper, but nevertheless, I done did it. And I think it's cute. What you think, girl? What you think? So guys, this is the way how I pull the look together. See, I have this sprinkle of the burgundies and the pink, the rose pink. Tell me what you think. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. For the people who seen the video before when it was a hot mess, I'm sorry. So please enjoy the music. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. She making pillow now. You want a pillow? Let her know, girl. She's a pillow making lady right now. So anyway, bye-bye.